Good afternoon, folks. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysis.research.com. This is an update for the Euro-Dollar technical report. Now, as indicated on our technical report this morning, we estimated that a price broke below the 130.30 zone, that you should really initiate shorts down towards the 130.100 level and then possibly the 129.70 level. On the other hand, we estimated that price broke above the 131.19, then you should target the 131.50-55. And as you can see, that price held above the 30.30 zone. It hasn't even tested it at any point today. It came down and retested the old trend line, which was support around the 30.50 zone. Since then, price has moved above the 3100 level and initiated the long trades that we estimated would be sitting there about 131.19. And then price has basically made its way up there and hit our target at 131.50-55. So entry was around 131.19. As given on our morning analysis report with the target at 31.50-55. Now, overall, we don't really expect this level to hold too long. There is lots of momentum coming into the market, as you can see here on the large bars. So there will be some sort of retrace, maybe back down towards that 31.19 level, and maybe just a little bit below there as well. But overall, we do expect the 31.50-55 to possibly give way today and head up towards basically the week's high here around 31.91. Which is up here on the trend line. Now this trend line has been running for a couple of weeks now. This is the 1 hour chart we're actually looking at here. These arrows are just basically representing touches of the trend line. So the trend line on the 1 hour chart is coming down because you can see two touches here, but as price then breaks above the trend line, it comes down, holds the support, but doesn't really find any buyers at this point. It's very small buyers. It comes down to about a 50% retracement of this swing here, this swing low up to the swing high. Okay, so price comes back to about 38% retracement here. There's no buyers sitting in the market here, so we only really test the 3100 level. But as price rejects off 3100, it comes down and tests the actual 50% level, which is also the 3050 level. And that level has been a pretty strong support most of this week. And then it's really attracted a lot of buyers. Not only that, but it's also attacking that trend line that it recently broke, holding that trend line as support. And that's what's pretty much caused the rally here. As price moves above the 3100 level, it's tripped a lot of buy stops that have been sitting in the market, and also above 31.19 there was more buy stops up here, and that's what pretty much gave price the momentum to move up to 31.50-55. Now again, we do suspect the price will take a retrace here, possibly a 38 to 50% retrace on this current swing high here, so the swing low up to the swing high, and that should give the market some more buyers to enter in the market and possibly break that 31.50-55. But so far, first target is achieved.